Okay, so we're going to do a quick challenge called the Rubik's Race Challenge, and it's concerning these two Rubik's Cube. This is the good one, Lizzie's got the bad one. So the difference is this is slick and fast and can really move good. On that one is really bad. It's like if everything isn't perfect, it won't even let you turn yet. Whereas this one lets you turn even when nothing is right. Yeah, it's almost elastic, this one. So we'll mix up the cubes. Are you done?
Maybe.
Okay, give it to me. Let me have a quick look. You don't look, and then we'll go. Hang on.
Just look in the camera.
It's a good bit more this way. I'll read it on camera. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look.
This camera's not helping me fix my hair.
Okay. Ready? Steady. Go. That was cold. I've made a bit of a mistake. Oh my god, you look closer. No, no, no. Well, although it does look.
What have you done?
Well, I'm close, but
You're not close.
unfortunately.
You're really not.
Well, it doesn't look cool anymore. But it is.
Really?
It is. That's just I'm trying to do it all in one go.
That's a big mistake then. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Too little, too late.